Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of the things that I picked up for the Christmas holiday to decorate my apartment. I got some things from Target, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Home Goods, Christmas tree shop. Like, we went everywhere this year. I love to shop on a budget, so if I find something, I do not discriminate where I get it from. Dollar Tree works for me. You know, I love to shop home decor, and I love anything that is affordable. You guys know this about me though already. So I got some stuff for my apartment, just home decor related. I'm gonna take you around the apartment, show you some things that I got, and just let you know where it's from and that it's on sale. A lot of this stuff is going really quickly, so I suggest you guys get out and go get it. I live in Jersey and Philly's already been put in lockdown, so I don't know when it's gonna happen for us or if or whatever. So I wanted to make sure that I got this video up as soon as possible so you guys can go pick up the stuff that you see in this video. Everything that you see, I will try my best to link it down below. Obviously, I'm not probably going to be able to link like ornaments and stuff, but you know, just like things that I feel like you can pick up, I will definitely link them. You will definitely know where everything's from throughout this video because I will tell you. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, so here is the top of my Christmas tree. I'm just gonna go down so you guys can see what we got going on here. This is the bottom. So we'll start with the tree. So up top, I got the bow from the Christmas tree shop, and moving down, I'll tell you where all these little ornaments are from. This ornament is from the, oh, where did I get this from? So I think this is from either Hobby Lobby or the At Home store. I'm not sure. The blue bulbs are definitely from At Home. This is from Hobby Lobby. These I already had, but I think I got these at Walmart like a few years ago. These rustic balls are from Hobby Lobby. At Home store, we have these little white glittery balls. These are from At Home. This is also from Hobby Lobby. This is from At Home. And again, these are from Hobby Lobby. So this one, I think, is from Hobby Lobby as well, or the At Home store. I'm not sure. Just check either store, you guys. But I loved this rustic detail. I just thought this was so pretty. Ignore my nails, guys. I just took them off. These bows, I think I already told you, are from Hobby Lobby. These are from Dollar Tree, believe it or not. The gold balls are from At Home. This is a Dollar Tree find. Guys, do not sleep on Dollar Tree. They have the most beautiful ornaments this year, and they're only $1. These beautiful, like, weird wooden looking bows are also from the At Home store. These are from the At Home store as well. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I have a lot of these like burlap bows that are from Hobby Lobby as well. Oh, and this right here, this little guy is also from Dollar Tree. So, and this is made of wood. Hear that? So these are some really good ornaments I found at Dollar Tree. Like, I couldn't believe it. Let me go around to the other side and just show you guys some more Dollar Tree finds. So I believe this one is from Dollar Tree, another Dollar Tree one. These are from Dollar Tree. I love these. They say peace and Noel. So I got a lot of stuff like that. These like little wooden ones are also from the At Home store. All of these faux presents I made are empty Amazon boxes, and I got all of the wrapping paper from Dollar Tree, believe it or not. The star of the show would be this bad boy down here. I'm getting so many questions about my tree collar. This is from Amazon. I'll link it below. I think I got it for like $39. It was super, super affordable. I love it. I love doing fake presents. I know it's sort of unrealistic for some people, especially if you have kids and like pets and stuff. It's just not ideal, but I don't have either one, so I love doing like the fake presents look under my tree. You can absolutely wrap your real presents like this, but this kind of stuff, I literally just save it for next year and do it all over again. So it does last me. It's not a waste of money, I promise. I just store these fake presents in a box and put them away in the closet, and we're good. So in this little corner, I have just like I call it my little cozy corner. I wanted to put a chair here, but I haven't gotten around to it. So in the meantime, I have this like little wicker storage basket. You can also sit on it. I have it in this little corner with some pillows that I had gotten for the fall, and I just kind of left them there because they sort of go with my theme. Super cute. My mom bought them. Oh no, I bought these actually. I bought these pillows. My mom gave me the basket, and my mom also bought me this blanket, the like knit blanket. I love chunky knit blankets, so I kind of just have it sitting in this corner. And then we'll move on to the fireplace. This fireplace is from Target. My boyfriend bought it for me for Christmas last year. So sorry guys, I'm filming this with my phone now because my camera overheated, which is super annoying. So as I was saying, so these houses are from Target. They're super easy to find. As soon as you walk in the store, they're like right there, but they're going quickly. Yeah, every time I go there, I see them restocking and people buy them just as quickly. So just keep that in mind. These little bulbs are from Five Below. I thought they were just so cute. I had them since summer and I just didn't know what to do with them. I just kind of left them around just until I wanted to use them. But they look super cute lit up behind my garland. My garland, I actually put 2 things of garland together to make it this full. I got this garland from Target. It is by Magnolia Home, so it's the Chip and Joanna line. I love it. It's only $25. That's why I went with it, because most of the garland I've seen at like Hobby Lobby and these other stores, for a thin piece, it's like $89 with their 50% off coupon, so it comes to like $40. And if I was to put two of those together, it'd be like 80 bucks. So I just like to save money. So for me, I was like, you know what? Target has some $25 garland. We'll put it together and I'll spend $50 instead of spending almost 100 bucks on garland, which is crazy to me. So yeah, so that's what I did. I'm gonna get like $5 twinkle lights at some point. But for now, this works. Super cute. And yeah, this is my living room situation over here. I love how everything came out. It's just all so pretty, and yeah, just obsessed. So for the table, I wanted to keep it super traditional and just very like Christmassy and farmhouse, just not anything too glam this year. So I wanted to incorporate some trees and like natural elements in this look. So I did these bamboo placemats. I have this old gold silverware from my grandmother that I've had for years. This is actually her china, so I just threw this on top of a red charger. I got this charger at Dollar Tree. The napkin rings are from Bed Bath & Beyond. I just love the berry detail. I thought they were so pretty. The napkins are from, I think, the At Home store. And yeah, I just wanted like plain white napkins. I didn't want to do anything too crazy. So all of this greenery that you see is all from Walmart, believe it or not. Super affordable. Like there were like $2 or $3. So I just kind of placed it all around. My candle holders, these two are from Ross. I wanted this to look like, you know, stuff I kind of just had lying around, and I just put it all together. I didn't want it to look like I went out and curated this whole table situation. So everything is natural, just, you know, just kind of fine china. It's really pretty and, you know, just regular, you know. So I love this. I'm probably not gonna have anyone over for Christmas dinner this year, but in the meantime, you know, it works. This stuff was on my counter. I actually had this old, like, weird tree from Dollar General a long time ago. I had 2 of them, and I decided to put it on my shelf instead. These trees, I love these trees. They are from Walmart. I don't remember how much they were, but they weren't too expensive. My mom bought me this thing. It's actually kind of cute. I thought it was super cute, so I put it here. It really goes with my vibe that I have this year. It's from Gabe's. I don't know if everybody has a Gabe's, but we have this store called Gabe's here, and it seems to do pretty well, and they have cute decor. So my mom gave me that. This, I think I got this from Walmart like a couple years ago, and I've just kept it. So I decided to just put it there. And that's really it as far as Christmas. And last but not least is my hot cocoa / coffee bar. This is something I neglected to show you guys last year, only because it wasn't done. It's still not done. I don't love it, but you know, it's something that other people really love. I don't know why this is such a popular thing, but everybody's always like, oh, your coffee bar, it's super cute. There's so much more I want to do to it. So, you know, bear with me, guys. Eventually I will get to it, but I just wanted to show it to you guys because I did somewhat decorate it for the holiday. So I'll show you what I have on here. I have this Christmas hot cocoa sign that I got last year at Ross. I have this Ashley mug. I got this year from Home Goods. The cocoa thing I got at Walmart. So these little things I kind of got for decor, just to kind of put them there, but I'll probably move them. I don't know. This isn't the final look, but I wanted to show it to you guys just in case someone needs like a cocoa bar idea. I definitely am going to change this because I want it to look different. I don't know. I'm just not happy with it, but eventually we'll get to it. This kind of always gets neglected. So I have my little Christmas candle here, Twisted Peppermint from last year. And I have like a little holiday cup. And then the rest are just like coffee mugs that I got from Ross before. Each of them has a scripture on them. And y'all know I love me some Jesus and I keep him in my home. So yeah, that's really it. I have my Keurig over here. This stuff gets used, I promise, because I actually love to make hot cocoa. So yeah, that's that for the coffee bar. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Everything will be listed underneath this video. I had such a great time decorating my house this year for the holidays. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Any questions, you know what to do. Just leave them down below. Happy holidays, guys. Love you so much.